Danadom, 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 danadom. Danadom, 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 danadom.
हमें लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खाते हैं हम ये कसम.
Danadom, 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 danadom.
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है, शिक्षा का रास्ता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम.
सत्य क्या है ये सुनो, अपने मन में जान लो. ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है.
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन.
They call me a rebel. They say a woman has no place in a school, no right to pick up a book, no courage to change the world. But I ask them, if a woman can carry weight of her family on her shoulders, why can she not carry knowledge in her mind? Each morning I walk to school, knowing stones may be thrown at me, insults may be hurled, but I do not fear, because I walk towards light, the light of education. These girls, whom society forces into silence, deserve to speak, to learn, to dream. Let them say what they want. I shall not stop them. I shall teach every girl who dares to step into this school. For when a girl is educated, an entire generation rises. मैं सावित्रीबाई फूले, भारत देश की पहली शिक्षिका. मैं खुद के लिए नहीं लड़ी, इस देश की हर पुत्री के लिए लड़ी हूँ. And until my last breath, I will continue this battle against ignorance, because knowledge is freedom and every girl has the right to be free.
कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. हम मुसाफिर था जाने दे, धूप आंगन में आने दे. जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल.
They say a woman must stay behind walls, hidden and hid. They say teaching girls is rebellion against society. Then let it be rebellion. When my dear friend Savitribai Phule was turned away for daring to educate girls, I opened the doors of my home. This home, this school, is beginning of new India. Every day we are mocked, called names, threatened. They try to silence us with fear, but how can fear defeat knowledge? I am Fatima Sheikh, a teacher, a believer in equality, a friend who walks this path of justice. Education is not bound by caste or region. A mind has no labels, only dreams. Because when a girl learns to write her name, she also writes her destiny. And I stand beside every girl until the day society longers no fears strength. Thank you.
जे रहे जो तेरे कदम
me Pandita because I mastered Sanskrit, a language they said only men could truly know. Yet, even with all my learning, I could see the darkest truth. Women in our land were still kept uneducated, unheard, unseen. I watched widows, young and helpless, punished for a fate did not choose. I could not remain silent. My voice, my pen, my work became my protest. I founded homes and schools where these women could breathe freely, learn proudly, and rise with dignity. Society questioned me, criticized me, tried to stop me. But how can I stop when there are still girls whose dreams are chained? I am Pandita Ramabai Saraswati. I write, I teach, I reform, not for glory, but for every woman who deserves to live with hope. Let every woman live, let every woman learn, because when she stands tall, India will rise with her.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर
When I chose to become a doctor, many laughed. A woman in medicine, they said it was impossible. But impossible is what women are made to conquer. I have seen the suffering of women, girls forced into Devdasi customs, women dying in childbirth, dreams buried before they even began. How could I turn away? So I stepped into the hospitals, into the legislature, into the very heart of society's injustice. I built the Adyar Cancer Institute not just to treat disease, to give hope where hope was denied. Every patient I heal, every girl who finds her voice is a victory against centuries of silence. I am Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy, a doctor, a reformer, a woman who refuses to stand aside until every girl grows without fear, until every woman receives dignity and care. This fight will continue. You will continue my fight. They will continue this fight, because a nation becomes stronger when its women rise.
रंग थे एक चक्र था, पुरखों ने जिन्हें था सींचा। एक ख्वाब था चरखे पे बुना, अपना वतन हिंदुस्तान है पुकारता, है पुकारता, सुन लो, है पुकारता, है पुकारता, सुन लो। एक ख्वाब था, ये ख्वाब बहुत नाजुक है जी, ये मांगता हिफाजत है जी, ये आस लिए है
centuries, our society has lived in the shadows of ignorance. Half of our population, our mothers, sisters, daughters, were denied the right to think, to learn, to live with dignity. I could not stand by and watch brilliance wither in darkness. Education is not a privilege for few, it is a birthright of every human being. When I saw young widows forced into the fire of sati, my heart burned with them. How can a society progress when cruelty is worshipped as tradition? So I raised my voice. They called me a traitor, a destroyer of customs. But I say, customs that destroy lives must themselves be destroyed. India must awaken. Let our girls enter